Hello and welcome to this foundation to styling a basic pattern. I am Moyo and I'll be your tutor. I'll be taking you through the process of learning how to style a basic pattern. This course will take you from just drafting a basic pattern to manipulating the pattern to get different styles. Congratulations! So you can or have drafted a basic pattern. The next step in the journey is to learn how to style your basic pattern. At the end of this course, you will be able to transform your basic pattern into the foundational styling methods used in the fashion design world. And as with learning a new skill, practice is paramount. I am available to support you along the way. Send in questions for any further clarification you need on any aspect of the course. So, let's get started.